Hey guys, hope you have wonderful day. So in this video I am going to show you how to schedule your post on your Facebook page or Facebook group. So first of all, let's find out how to do it on Facebook page. So go to your Facebook page and click on publishing tool. When you click on publishing tool, you will redirect to page like this. So in here you can see your published post and scheduled post. To schedule post, click on create post, then add your post. I will add hello and you can upload image or upload video like this. After that, click on share now, then click on schedule. You can schedule your post for months. If you want to show this post in August 1st, just go to August and click on 1st. After that, click on schedule and it will schedule and it will automatically publish on 1st of August. So this is the easy way. So I use this feature and it's really helpful because Facebook pages are not so engaging. So this is really great way to automate your Facebook page. So let's check on Facebook group. So this is one of my Facebook group. Actually you will not see the Facebook group name or any details. By the way, click on write something, then write something hello, then add some image or add some video. You can do anything you want. Then click on this clock icon. When you click on it, there will have a calendar. So you can set this calendar as we did before on our page. So you can do the same and click on schedule post. Then your post will be scheduled. This is the way to schedule your post for months and you don't even look at your Facebook page and groups. Only you have to reply for comment. So this is the way. I hope you get valuable information. I will see you in next one. Bye bye.